Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be replacing my intake boot because the OEM one it has a rip right here, right around here. I'll show you like after I take it off what you're gonna need to remove it. A 6mm and some pliers for the clamps. So I'll go ahead and start unscrewing these clamps right here. There's one here and there's one here, and there's a clamp for this tube right here. So I'll go ahead and unscrew this. There you go. Came right out. See, I'll show you here. See, there's a big old rip right there. I think there's another one right here. I guess it hasn't been changed since, I don't know, since 06, I guess. And here's the new one. Nice and fresh.
This part right here is a little hard to get it in. Break it.
I finally got it in. It took a while, but it's in there. Okay, go ahead and install your, put the hoses back in. And the sensor, make sure, don't forget the sensor because that's very important. If you don't put the sensor, you might get a check engine light, and you don't want that. Okay, it's in there. Okay.
So this one. Okay, then now just make sure you tighten everything up so it doesn't come loose.
And we're done, guys. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. And if you did like this video, please hit that like button. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.